Alright, this time I will show you how to create this geometry on Mastercam. For more details, I want you to watch the Cam Practice M1. It's on the lesson. Right? Let's get started. On Mastercam, I want to draw the rectangle first. So go to the Wireframe tab, then click the rectangle icon. So make sure your anchor to center is enabled. Then starting from the center here, and one more click on the background. And then assign dimensions based on the blueprint. The width is 2 inches and 750, and height is also 2 inches and 750. Then blue check, because I want to keep doing this. Then another center line, a center point, then drop off anywhere you want, and width is 0.875, and height is 0.875 based on the blueprint. Then green check. Now I want to draw the circle here. To do it, go to the circle center point. Then we don't have any reference lines or any reference entities. So press spacebar. Then based on the blueprint, it's 1 inch 750 divided by 2. So it also has the math function itself. Or do the math based on the blueprint. Then comma, y value is 0.875. Then enter. And notice your center point is here, right? Then one more click, then assign dimension. Diameter is 0.266 based on the blueprint. Then enter or blue check. Now we have the reference center point. So starting from here for another circle. One more click around here, and assign the radius is 250 based on the blueprint. Then green check. Now I will rotate to copy these two features here, here, here. So go to the transform tab, rotate tab, then select the entities you want to rotate, and then selection. And it selected those features by itself based on the previous function, the previous setting. Yeah, make sure 3 and 90, and also copy. Then green check. And then I want to clear the colors, so right click on the background and click this icon, clear colors. And now I want to draw arcs for here, here for the concave, and the bottom and top with the convex. So go back to the wireframe tab, then arc tangent, and make sure it's arc 2 entities, and the radius is everything is 3 inches and 250 based on the blueprint. Then this time I want to lock it. Once you lock it, the radius you can't change this anymore unless you click this one again. So now I want to choose 2 entities, and I want to go with this option, right? This shape looks right. Then another 2 entities here, this shape looks right. And then for the top, those 2 entities, this looks right, and those 2 entities, and that line looks right. Then green check. Now I want to trim them off here, 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 here. So go to divide the icons, click it, and then drag it like that. Oh, something's not right. So it's not perfect tangent between this circle and this arc. So I want to delete this one again. Then I will draw the circle again. Green check, and go to the circle, and using this the reference point starting from here, then your radius is 0.50 again. Then green check. Now I will just divide the function again, delete it like that, right? Then keep doing this divide function here, delete that, and then delete this one. And as you can see, something's left here, so make sure you clean everything. You need to delete unnecessary lines or the arc or any entities. Yep. Then I will make fillets. Go to the fillet entities and make sure your radius is right at 250 based on the blueprint. Then choose those two sides, or as I mentioned, just use like a scissors, crossing two sides. Then green check. Now I will move this out profile to its depth. So go to transform and click this translate icon and select those 4 rectangle lines. Or I hit the escape key. I will do it. I will show one more time. Transform tab, translate, and hold on shift key and click the line. So it's gonna select all the entities that connected each other. Then in selection, and x value minus 0.150 based on the blueprint. Then green check. Just to double check, I will turn my view to front and right. This one moves down to the plane. So I will turn my view to isometric, then clear the color. Right click on the background and clear the colors icon here. Now it's time to make it 3D. Each time you make it 3D, before you do that, I want to create one more level for the solid. So plus icon and name it as a solid. And make sure your current level is second level, which is solid. Then I will create the solid on this level. To do it, go solid tab and click extrude icon, and it asks you to chain. Yeah, this out profile. Then green check. How deep it's supposed to go. If it doesn't go down, you can click this reverse all. Right? And distance based on the blueprint, it is 0.375 minus 0.150. You can do the math by yourself, but it has the math function itself. So yeah, just type it. Then blue check. Another chain for the second out profile on top. Then green check. Make sure you go with the add bus because they are the same pieces. Those two extrude, they're same, right? One piece. So make sure your distance is 150 or a little bit further, that's fine. Right? Because they are one piece. Then blue check. Then I will select 4 more holes for cutting. And one more big pocket on the center. Then green check. And make sure it is cut body. And also it's a through hole, right? So hit through all. Then green check. I will turn my view to isometric. That's it.